G'day guys, welcome to Project Prem. Bits changed since we've done that other video. All of a sudden we had to pull the engine out of it because we had a buyer really quick. So overnight we had to pull the engine out and he rocked up first thing in the morning. So basically the engine's out of it, and we will have a couple of still shots and maybe a short video. We really didn't have time to set anything much up. It was pretty rushed, so we had to take advantage of that time frame. So today we're just going to basically start pulling this apart, and hopefully in the next couple of days we'll separate the two chassis pieces so we can find out what's going on behind the firewall here. If there's anything happening back there, we won't know until we strip it apart. So anyway guys, yeah, we're going to get into it. We'll speed some parts of it up obviously because it's pretty boring, some of it for you to watch, but yeah, anyway, here we go. This is why we're going to split the car. Bring the torch around there, okay? I'll get her in there. As you can see, yeah, in between the front part of the chassis and that where it bolts up, yeah, we've got a bit of rust happening there. So, yep, that's exactly why we pulled it apart. You couldn't see it from the outside, but yeah, absolutely needs to be done. So yeah, that's what we thought. We're expecting that. So, but the rest of it so far looks alright. But anyway, as we dig deeper, we'll find out more. So we're just coming around the other side now, guys. You can see we've got all this elastic and crap here. Alright, yeah. Alright, there's probably more of the same behind here when we get into it, but yeah, that's exactly why, yeah, we've got to split all this, that all bolts, and this whole front end separates and comes away. So yeah. Okay guys, it's getting a bit late for us. We're going to call it quits for today. Basically, as you've seen, we found a few surprises, a bit of rust behind the firewall there. We sort of knew it was going to be there, but yeah, of course, it's probably going to be more extensive than we were hoping for. So basically, that'll be it for today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.